Developing an Android software. Developing an Android software application (app) is a multi-step process that involves several key components. Here's an overview of the steps you'll need to follow. Idea and planning. Start with a clear idea of what your app will do and what problem it will solve. Research the market to identify your target audience and competitors. Create a detailed plan, including the app's features and functionalities. Learn the basics. If you're new to app development, it's essential to learn the basics of programming and the Android platform. Java and Kotlin are the primary programming languages for Android app development. You can choose one, but Kotlin is recommended for its modern features and concise syntax. Set up your development environment. Download and install Android Studio, the official integrated development environment (IDE) for Android app development. Android Studio provides tools and an emulator to test your app. Design your app. Create wireframes and mockups to plan the app's user interface (UI) and user experience (UX). Use design tools like Adobe XD or Figma for this purpose. Develop your app. Write code to implement the app's functionality based on your plan. Use Android Studio to write, test, and debug your code. Utilize Android's APIs and libraries to add features like location services, camera access, and more. Testing. Test your app thoroughly to identify and fix any bugs or issues. You can test on real Android devices or use the built-in emulator in Android Studio. UI/UX design. Create the app's final UI design and ensure it's user-friendly. Implement responsive design principles to cater to various screen sizes and resolutions. Optimize performance. Optimize your app's performance to ensure it runs smoothly and efficiently. Pay attention to factors like memory management and network performance. Security and privacy. Implement security measures to protect user data and ensure that the app complies with privacy regulations. Publish your app. Create a developer account on the Google Play Store. Prepare your app listing, including icons, screenshots, descriptions, and other promotional materials. Submit your app for review and publication. Marketing and distribution. Promote your app through various channels, including social media, websites, and advertisements. Consider ASO, App Store Optimization, to improve visibility on the App Store. Support and updates. Continue to maintain and update your app to fix bugs and add new features based on user feedback. Monetization, optional. Choose a monetization strategy, such as in-app advertisements, in-app purchases, or selling the app. Remember that Android app development is a complex and ongoing process. It's essential to stay up to date with the latest Android developments and best practices. Online tutorials, documentation, and developer communities can be valuable resources as you work on your Android app.